What up, my people? Welcome to my channel. Me, the King, here to talk to you about something that's really been irritating me in the crypto. Wow, my hair is nappy today. Wow, some naps going on. Okay, sorry, distracted. Okay, so do you remember a couple years ago, back when Ethereum was still GPU mineable, and you could mine some crypto, make some money, and it was awesome? Nowadays, it's not like that. It's rug after freakity frackety rug, and I am over it. It is annoying. I think it is stupid. Okay, so we're gonna get into today's video. Please like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Let's not even waste any time today, because this stuff is ridiculous. Okay, so not that long ago, I told you guys about a coin, POW blocks. Actually, let's go over here to mine and pull stat. And we'll go and show you, because like this is irritating. So there was this coin that came out 14 days ago, POW blocks or POW blocks, ETH hash based coin. Also second coin this month to come out like and be a giant POS. There was a coin Fulminir or something, your boy Serpentx Tech, I believe, or DJ Mines did a video on it. Go check them out. They're both awesome. But there's this coin, POW blocks. It launched, of course, as a GPU miner. You try to get in there, mine it early days so that if it does take off, get listed on the exchange, go up, you make a pretty penny. This coin goes ahead, comes out. First thing that irritated me, anyone who asked if it was a scam right away got blocked from their Discord. Shady practice number one. Freaking irritating. Second of all, they did this public sale. We're going to come over here to their X or Twitter, X Twitter, whatever the heck you want to call it. So they went and listed on financex.trade. This coin on its website says it's been around since 2018. Literally got made a couple months ago. So they're in cahoots with this finance exchange. If you go to their website, nothing shows up, completely empty. So that's red flag number two. Red flag number three is they did this pre-sale type thing. There was no pre-mine, apparently no pre-sale. Somehow they had a whole bunch of coins that they were able to sell. But if you guys are, you guys are GPU miners. As a GPU miner, you know if there's no pre-mine or pre-sale, where did the devs get the coins from if there's no pre-sale? Huh? Answer me that. Really shady, straight up shade. So that was like, we're on thing number three now. And so at that point, I already knew this thing was ruggier than fucking, fudging something. Sorry about that, YouTube. Please, I'm not even monetized, so who cares? Go ahead, like and subscribe so I can get monetized and then I can't cuss on YouTube. But yeah, so POW blocks, sketchy coin, really annoying. You can look on their charts and definitely see where the rugs happened. You can definitely see that money was moved in and moved out. This is just on here, which was recently listed, but Coin Paprika lists all the coins. But you can definitely see that there was a lot of dippage going on, unnecessary dippage in the volume. There's definitely some dumpity dumps going on. You'll see how it pumps up trading volume. Then there's a whole lot of selling going on. Some coins get unlocked, a lot of selling going on. Coins get unlocked, a lot of selling going on. So, mad shady. I'm just trying to warn you guys, be careful. Also, comment below, like, do you guys even care about GPU mining? Is it worth still GPU mining? Do you think there's going to be another coin that comes out for GPU mining that's actually like worth a damn? Because like honestly, it's getting really hard. There was Caspa. It was really good. It was really profitable. A lot of people made some money on it. Then they released the miners for ASICs and FPGAs, couple $100, $1,000, easily pushes the average GPU miner out of the market. Kind of annoying. There are coins like saving graces, like Octaspace has been a really good one. We're looking to get into that. But yeah, Dynex has been really good, but like if your farm's not up to par, you're really not making junk. And so like, it makes it really hard for the at-home miner. Kind of really annoying. I mean, so yeah, I just want you guys to comment down below, like, what's going on with GPU mining? Do you give a damn? Are you still GPU mining? Do you continue to grow out your GPU mining farm? I personally am working on some other things. I recently got some solar power battery generator doohickey, and I'm gonna try and mine some crypto on that. I have some lovely boxes like my CK box, and I believe I have my KD box Pro. One uses like 200 watts, the other one uses like 400 watts. So I might post a short video up on the screen, in the vicinity of the screen, showing you my current setup. Not quite. See something by Blue Eddy. Have a couple panels out. I did some shorts on those. Go and like and subscribe on those shorts. Comment on those shorts. Solar, just solar, nothing more. But yeah, we're gonna get into that. I'm gonna drop some videos on that. But yeah, this new GPU mining thing. Even if you come over here to Mining Pool Stats, like, there's not really anything worth a dang dong going on. There's so many coins, and they're all just garbagey. Our Ethereum might be good. Comment something if you want me to post a video about our Ethereum, how to mine it on Windows, if you need overclocks for a 3060 Ti. But yeah, this stuff is getting really annoying. Like, you know, their website is shitty and sketchy and annoying, and I should have known, but, you know, make those coins, make some profit. So yeah, definitely, you haven't seen Red Panda mining, you haven't seen Son of a Tech, you haven't seen any of the cool guys doing any videos on it. So I guess that's also another hard thing with crypto mining right now. Like, you either gotta wait for the cool guys, like, not cool guys, I mean, they are cool guys, but like the big dudes like DJ Mines, all the cool guys, fucking Brandon Coin. You kind of have to wait for them to like confirm that a coin's actually legit before you start mining it, and even then it could be a rug. And so like, it's a lose-lose situation. Either you mine a coin, potentially get a virus or something, which this was a MetaMask based coin, so that's why I just set up a separate MetaMask wallet that's not my main MetaMask wallet to go ahead and try and mine it. In case it was something that like leaked in, stole all your crypto, they ain't getting nothing because I'm broke. But yeah, it's kind of annoying because like, either they mine it first, stack up a bag, then they tell everyone the network hash rate skyrockets through the roof, and then it's not worth mining, or you wait and then like you try and hop on it before it's a thing, and then it turns out to never be a thing, and then you lose hope in trying to hop on it, and so it's just a giant wishy-washy pain. Yeah, it's really annoying. So I just want to know what your guys' opinions is on that, because, you know, I love GPU mining, that the idea of a decentralized network you can operate from home, but if all of the coins just fall into the hands of like ASICs and Bitmain and all those, and you need 30 grand to buy a miner that's like worth the damn, at 30 grand worth the damn, blah 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 blah. Yeah, it's really annoying. Also, I want to just let you guys know we got some cool things coming on the channel, some solar power stuff. Gonna be your #1 place for crypto and finance. Also, check out my links down below. Get free stocks with Robinhood and up to $250 with SOFI. And I mean, even with, besides the $250, that lovely 4.5% savings rate, amazing. I mean, I've been, the little bit of crypto I do mine, I sell that out in there, throw it into my savings, get an extra 4% on top of the profit I already made from crypto. It's like no brainer. But yeah, like, subscribe, check out more videos on the channel, more awesome things coming soon. Peace out, y'all. Peace.